Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Wijaya. I'm a CFD dealers in PhillipCapital. So for today's title is going to be about SML, further upside because there's a huge and tremendous potential in the share right now. So let's look at the generic of what SML does. So SML basically is an advanced semiconductor material lithography. It's part of the chip manufacturing processes. So once, for example, the chip is done, those kind of things are going to go into different kind of level semiconductors company before actually goes into your for example Apple's, or for example into your mobile phones, Samsung's, or for example cars. So this SML actually is a very big company. It actually helped into the one of the manufacturing processes called lithography. So let's look at it. So SML main customers is actually the big semiconductors company, which is Micron Tech TSMC, which produces wafers, SSMC as well. And then we have global Foundries, SMIC, Intel, and Samsung. So those are the companies that SML supply their machines to. All right. The companies are Nikon and Canon. However, the Nikon and Canon is not a huge market right now because SML control most of the markets in the lithography industry. All right, as you can see in the pie chart. All right, next one. So we're gonna look at the current trends of SML and how it is actually performing right now. So right now the price is around 850 or 860 like that. So if you see, actually the RSI is actually quite in the high range, but it is very normal for SML because it always has been in the high range. So the next one I want us to see is the MA moving averages. So you can see the MA1 is 25 with the red color, MA2 is 50 days moving average with something like blue color, something like that. Then MA3 is the 100-day moving average with a yellow color. So basically, if you see the red color, which is 25 days moving average, has a very resilience in terms of the once, for example, if it goes to the 100 days moving average, it will bounce back. So do you see actually the recent drop over here from 895 on the top to like around 700 plus? It is due to the SML news, which is they missed the sales estimates, and it's most likely due to the chip shortage right now and the chip manufacturing that has been slowing down due to the COVID situation and the demand that is already extremely high right now. So there's a further upside potential because at the end of the day, this news already been priced in and people start buying again. All right. So key things to note, right? SMI just passed analyst estimate for Q3 profit amid chip shortage. However, they actually missed the sales estimate for the revenue. So that is the one that caused the share price to drop so much during last 2 or 3 weeks ago. Okay, next one is that the key things to note is that European Commission President, so they actually visited the chip equipment maker SML ahead of the European Chips Act. So it is going to be soon that the European Chips Act, which is going to be probably approved, and thus it actually boosts companies like ASML to become a better semiconductors company in the futures, and thus improving their revenue and everything. Okay, next one is that ASML has been constantly doing the buyback on their shares, returning the money back to the shareholders. This has SM has been buying back for such a long time already. I think it's about 1 year to 2 years time that they already done the buyback. They start this buyback program, and they still continue on doing so. So, so it is very good to have these shares under your portfolio because they actually very generously and constantly buying back the shares and return the money to the shareholder.
That's all for PhillipCapital Market Watch. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Also, tell us what you think. Will you be investing in this stock? Thank you.